Welcome back to our Google Classroom demonstration. For this video, we are going to demonstrate questions and announcements. I'm going to start in the bottom right hand side, click that plus sign, and I'm going to first start with creating a question. Just like in creating an assignment, I have the ability to select which classes and sections my question is going to go to, and if I need to differentiate, I can also assign it to specific students. Once again, be reminded that you cannot differentiate if you choose multiple sections. So I'm going to start by typing in my question. For this, I also have due dates. I can select a date that it is due, or I can keep that blank. I can also assign a topic, and again, by using topics, this keeps things nice and organized. I have two types of questions that this could be. It could either be a short answer, and under short answer, the options are whether or not students can reply to each other, or they can change their answer after they hit submit. For a multiple choice question, I would fill in the options, and I would also give them the ability to see the class summary of responses. For this demonstration, I'm going to stick with short answer. I can add attachments if necessary. Perhaps I want them to read a selection before they respond to my question, watch a video, go to a web page, or look at another Google Doc, a slideshow. Once I am ready to post, I can either click Ask, schedule it for a future date, or I can save the draft if I'm not finished working on it. I'm going ahead and click Ask, and my class, it now appears in the class feed. Over here on the left-hand side of my screen are those topics, and as I choose a topic for the question, it would go into that particular topic. So if I click on Chapter 3, you can still see my question that I posted and any other materials that belong in Chapter 3. For my second piece of today's demonstration, we are going to look at announcements. I'm going to click on the plus sign on the right-hand side of my screen again, and this time create an announcement. An announcement is a little bit different. I can still post any type of materials. I can attach any kind of materials that I need. I can associate a topic and a simple announcement here. The big difference here is that you're not necessarily soliciting feedback from your students. If you do have class comments turned on, students can still comment on the announcement, but this is more for announcements, whereas a question you're actually looking at feedback, and in a question you can grade the feedback, whereas an announcement there is no grading feature in the announcement post. And that concludes today's demonstration of questions and announcements.